do the corkscrew, going down from top rock into footwork. This is called corkscrew. So, very simple. What we're gonna do is cross our feet, just like this. And we're gonna take our toes, and we're going to pivot around in a circle. Okay? Feet are undone. We're gonna cross our feet, making sure my toes are pretty close together. I don't want to be too far out. It's not really gonna work out. I wanna actually try to get my toes really close together. This way, when I pivot my feet, I'm gonna pivot both of my toes at the same time. I'm gonna be able to get basically 180 degrees around. And what I'm gonna do now to finish this corkscrew and go down to the floor is just lower my core down into a squat. So I've already showed you the proper position of how to go down into a squat, keeping our core level over our toes. Now we're gonna take that concept and apply it here. Cross our toes, keep them together. We're gonna pivot. As we pivot halfway down, we're gonna start squatting in this pivot. Squat, 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 squat. And now you can see I got all the way around just because now my hips aren't locked together. Let's do this one more time. Cross your toes, make sure that you're on your toes. Start to squat down as you're pivoting. And there you go. Let's do it again, slow motion. Cross our toes, start squatting. We're gonna get all the way until our hands reach the floor. And all I'm gonna do is keep my hands and just push them right into the floor. Once I'm at the floor, I can lift up my toe from the floor. And there we go. Now we're down to the floor. Now how do we get into, let's say, the sixth step? Let me show you. Cross, you pivot down. Once we're here, I can open up my foot, and now I can go right out into my sixth step. Or I can cross, pivot down, and open up my legs. Now I'm in this push-up position, and I can go right to the sixth step. Okay, let me show you that a little bit quicker speed. Cross, corkscrew down, open up your legs. Let me show you one more time. Pivot. You're gonna go down to the corkscrew. Once your hands reach here, open up your feet. Now you're right there to do your sixth step. I'm your way push, and you just learned how to do basic corkscrew.